Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to delete a listing from the autofill feature in Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, go to the Play Store and type Facebook in the search bar. Step 2. Look for the white F logo on a white background. Tap on it, and then tap on Install to download the app. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in to your Facebook account. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 5. Locate the gear icon next to the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information. Step 7. Tap on Personal Information, and then select See More. Step 8. In the Personal Information section, tap on Autofill Information under the Profile Information. Step 9. Next, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Step 10. From the options that appear, tap on Delete and Relist to remove the listing from the autofill feature. By following these 10 simple steps, you'll be able to delete a listing from the autofill feature in Facebook, ensuring your autofill information stays up to date and relevant. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.